Create a loopback network adapter. Press Windows T jar. Enter CMD. Then, enter the command in the command bar with. Press Enter. Select Network Adapter from the list. Select Microsoft. Then select Microsoft Key and Test Loopback Adapter. In Control Panel greater than Network and Internet greater than Network connections. On the Microsoft Key and Test Loopback Adapter, set the IP address. To clarify here, for software like the Pens or MA2 after setting the IP, you need to save and then restart the software for the IP to take effect.